I'd like to explain to you what the New York Stock Exchange tick is. The NYSE tick is really just a number. It's actually a net number of the total number of stocks trading on the New York Stock Exchange. So here down on this chart on the bottom is a chart of the NYSE tick. And you can see right now it's currently at negative 489, negative 503. So it's hanging out in the negative range. But it can potentially have a range from 3,000 to negative 3,000. What the number is it's a net number of stocks currently trading up and currently trading down on the New York Stock Exchange. So if you think about how many stocks are on the New York Stock Exchange, I'll use 3,000 as an example. If you get 1,500 stocks currently trading up and 1,500 stocks currently trading down, what you're going to have is you're going to get a tick reading of 0 because 15 minus 1,500 is 0. Or in contrary to that, if you had let's say 2,000 stocks trading down, but only 1,000 stocks trading up, what that's going to do is that's going to give you a negative 1,000 because there's 1,000 more stocks trading down than there are trading up at the moment. And when you reach extreme levels like that, it's sort of like comparing a sprint runner, sprinter to the market. Sprinters are very quick, and they're very good at moving from one point to another in a very quick manner. However, they can't run long distances, and that's sort of how I read the tick is when it hits extreme levels, 800, 900, 1,000. These are all extreme levels, and they can't last for a very long time. So generally, what happens is once the tick reaches a certain level that I consider an extreme, it'll often reverse, and you can see, here when it's gone down to negative 800, it reversed and went back up to the positive territory. And one of the things you can use that for, that particular information, is trading the S&P 500 futures, because the S&P 500 has 500 stocks in it, and the majority of those stocks are traded on the New York Stock Exchange. So the majority of the stocks that are trading on the tick are also trading in the S&P. So if the New York Stock Exchange is going down, then that also means the S&P 500 futures are going down. And you can use that little information as an edge in the market to pull a little extra change out. The way you get access to the tick here is you can connect to your broker, your data service provider. The symbol right here, as you're seeing at the bottom left, is TICK. With my particular broker, it's caret TICK. Other brokers use $TICK. But if you want access to the tick, you can just ask your broker, and they'll let you know what the symbol is.